Ooh.
Now, what you do,
Mutton. I want more mutton.
I was trying to save some bottom line here.
Hot, juicy chicken. It's actually the first time I'm going to eat a full chicken Frankie. Really nice. नमस्कार, खाने में क्या है में आपका स्वागत है। मैं पहुंच गया हूं शिवाजी पार्क। यहाँ एक ऐसा स्टॉल है जो मुझे मेरे बचपन में ले जाता है। ये स्टॉल उतना पुराना नहीं है, लेकिन उस स्टॉल में जो डिश मिलती है, जो चीज मैं खाने वाला हूं, goes back to my childhood, to nearly 45, maybe 50 years ago. If you want to know what that one dish is, what I have come here for, and what reminds me of my childhood, come with me, because there is this one stall at Shivaji Park. वहां जाते हैं और पूछते हैं खाने में क्या है। तो आपको पता चला होगा कि मैं किस चीज की बात कर रहा हूं, किस डिश की बात कर रहा हूं। अगर आप मुंबई में रहते हो, इफ यू ग्रू अप इन मुंबई, देयर इज नो वे दैट यू डोंट नो व्हाट अ टिप्स फ्रैंकी इज। टिप्स फ्रैंकी, वो क्रिस्प रोल जिसमें अंडा होता है, मटन जूसी होता है, जिसमें मसाले होते हैं, जिसमें मिर्ची होती है, विनेगर होती है, और जब हम खाते हैं यहां से पूरा शर्ट मसालों से भर जाता है। बट फ्रैंकी खाने से पहले मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहता हूं द मैन बिहाइंड फ्रैंकी, जसमीत सिंह टिब, who is now the second generation running Frankie. We're going to go and meet him, and there is a question that has always been in my mind. ये जो फ्रैंकी का जो मटन आता है, जो चिकन आती है, जो रोटियां आते हैं, वहाँ कहाँ बनती है? क्योंकि it's a central kitchen. Every stall that you go to, the Frankie should taste the same. Discuss the story of this Frankie and this brand that started from one small stall on the street and today is a name that if you live in Bombay, you will know. So chalo, milte hai Jasmeet Tib se. As soon as I entered the central kitchen of Tibbs, a wave of nostalgia hit me. Took me straight back to my childhood when I first started eating Tibbs Frankie. Everywhere I look, there was a ton of chicken and mutton sizzling away with that unmistakable aroma. And there's an entire section which is also dedicated to the vegetarian Frankie. What truly amazes me is that even after cooking in such large quantities, the taste of Tibbs Frankie has remained exactly the same. Before meeting the Tibbs family, I decided to visit their central kitchen. And though it's my first time here, it somehow feels like I've come back home. Hello. Good to see you. Hello. Come. Don't be frightened. How are you? Nice to meet you. Listen, I'm so happy to be in your house. Wonderful. घर में घुसते ही I'm sort of I can feel the Frankies, yeah?
Yeah.
But I want to know a lot about this. So shall we settle down? And,
Sure. Let's
come. I'm going back into history. I'm going back to the taste of my childhood, and I am going back to talking to people who today own a legendary brand. Pleasure to have Jasmeet and Preeti here. Jasmeet, thank you so much. Preeti, thank you so much. इतना iconic dish है, इतना iconic brand है. I was born in the 60s and 70s. If I know the taste and this new generation knows the taste, then you guys have achieved something quite splendid. और अभी तक ऐसा एक भी रोल नहीं है which comes up in flavor and taste to the Tibbs Frankie roll.
So this started way back in 1969. Dad ने एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपनी शुरू की थी यूके, पर वो कुछ रीजन करके वो with the partners it went south. So फिर dad ने, my grandfather told him that you come back to India, and then on his way back he stopped at Beirut.
In Beirut? Okay.
Beirut पे रुके तो he saw something like a Lebanese pita wrap. And he got inspired with it. That was a foodie. आपके जैसे. So then he came to India, तो फिर उन्होंने शुरू किया Tibbs Salt. ये जो फ्री फ्लोइंग सॉल्ट है,
हाँ,
what is dad's idea.
ओके,
यहाँ वो फीलिंग नहीं आई.
हाँ,
It was a good business, flourishing,
हाँ.
was making money.
Correct.
फिर डैड ने मम को बोला कि कुछ शुरू करते हैं. पहले उन्होंने मटन की ग्रेवी बनाई और पराठा. फिर वो बिहार लेक करके वहां जाके उन लोग
जहाँ पोए में ना, हाँ, करेक्ट.
तो वहां उन लोग they used to sell from the back of the car. और इतना पॉपुलर हो गया. It became so popular that dad said कि अभी next क्या करें कि how I can reach the masses. He said इसको food on the go बना. Imagine at that time what a genius, God bless my parents upstairs. That's what I tell people. Tips frankly generated and the whole idea came from the kitchen of the Tip family. आज भी मैं बोलता हूँ मेरी माँ के हाथ का स्वाद. So फिर वो बन गया and then they started wrapping it and then the secret magic masala of the Frankie masala was created by dad.
Okay.
And then they put everything together and if I may use the word amalgamated their thoughts and they rolled and the product came out.
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken, Frankie's chicken in a minute.
Come together with Venky's.
I've come to Powai. Powai in Mumbai outlet of Tips Frankie. This outlet apparently is open 24 hours. Jaspreet's waiting inside. I'm hoping with his apron on because I want him to cook my favorite Frankie. I want to show you how the Frankie is made also. So chalo, jaye andar. I like the idea of seeing him in an apron. बहुत सालों के बाद कर रहा है, but I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. कितने सालों के बाद हो रहा है ये?
Personally,
Personally,
मतलब मैं off and on करता हूँ, but at the store, I think first time in 15 years.
first time 15 years. But he's an old horse. He doesn't forget anything.
Good horse बोल दे यार.
Good horse, good horse, good horse. Old.
So I'm going to make you your favorite lamb Frankie.
Absolutely.
And I hope God give me the strength to give you the best one.
It will be the best one.
So we are going to take the famous roti.
Yeah. Can I tell you my requirement?
Yes, please.
I like जरा रोटी थोड़ी crisp लगती है मुझे. If you don't mind.
No, sir.
No.
As you say, sir. So when I started making Frankies, I started realizing that you talk to food.
Correct.
So before I put the roti, always myself personally, I always say Vaiguru's name
चलो, I'll also say Vaheguru.
and tribute to my parents. So now I'm going to add the famous egg.
This is the famous egg.
Yes.
There is the roti and then there's the egg. Superb.
The key is keep breathing your roti well. Let this settle.
Yes.
Once it settles a bit, then when you flip it,
Palti.
you get the ever beautiful blisters and you tell the eggs, I love you and please forgive me.
Okay, so this is looking nice and crispy. The
Yeah.
egg has also gotten nice and sort of red and it's looking really nice now.
Is it crisp enough? So I'm going to go for it now.
Okay, now
Now this is
I'll
the
come this side.
yes.
Ah.
So this is the magic. This is the Frankie masala. We are very generous with it. Are you okay with a lot?
I'm very happy with lots of masala. It's also the secret masala.
Yes. I like to do this
Ah.
so that it gets a little body. You like onions?
I love onions, yes.
Okay. We add some onions if you love onions. Then I'm going to make the bridge for you.
Yes. This is the famous Frankie.
The original, and this is the classic. I'm going to be generous, yeah?
Please do.
Now, what you do,
Mutton, I want more mutton.
okay, I was trying to save some bottom line here. So, what I do is this, so that when we roll,
Ah.
you have everything, and then from top, the masala.
And I want that green chili stuff that is what I want.
Do you like it spicy?
I like it medium spicy, but I like the vinegar and the flavor of that vinegar and
There you go. Final touch. All the best.
God bless.
God bless. God bless you for having what I'm making. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it this way.
Okay.
I made it a little decadent for you, so please don't mind.
No, and if you want, I will help you by holding this open.
No, I think we'll do a good job. My God, I did it, man.
And here is my classic Tibbs Mutton Frankie. Okay, so this Mutton Frankie is ready. I'm going to request one classic veg Frankie also and one classic chicken Frankie also.
Done, sir. Coming up.
And then I will taste all three. Thanks to Shebaru, we're now available on in-flight entertainment across multiple airlines. Catch us on screen, on board, and in front of you, exclusively by Shemaru.
आई थिंक 1969 या 70 में इंडिया वेस्ट इंडीज का मैच हो रहा था ब्रेबॉर्न एंड ब्रेबॉर्न स्टेडियम में एक क्रिकेटर थे सर फ्रैंक वॉल. उन्होंने कोई शॉट मारा. somebody said what a shot Frank and that got it
What a shot, Frankie!
and that got it and he said ये नाम है and it was Christian Frank.
Okay.
Then Dad used to go back to Kulava and he says, and I quote what he said, I was born that time I think. He said it, ਉੱਥੇ ਨਾ ਇਨੀ ਲਾਈਨ ਲੱਗਦੀ थी jazz और लोग इंपाला ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ और ਉਹ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਪਾਰਸੀ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ and I used to tell them, they used to say सरदार जी ये क्या है and then I started saying इसको रोल मत बोलो, इसको फ्रैंकी बोलो.
इसको रोल मत बोलो, फ्रैंकी बोलो.
He said that so much that he said that जब मैं फिर गया ना 2-4 महीने बाद उतने वही पारसी आके भी मेरे को बोलते थे टिप साहब आपको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, हम ही फ्रैंकी बोले. But if I can just take this, I would definitely like to take this opportunity to. It's not an award, but Kunal, you coming over is an award.
अरे नहीं यार.
No, really, I hold you.
This is
because people like you. चलो हम तो established चीज है, पर आपने जो कॉमन मैन के लिए किया, जो मैंने आपके वीडियोस देखे, जो आप छोटी चेन्स को इतना, I mean, you are also whole heart here. तो मुझे लग रहा है मैं अपने सोल ब्रदर को जैसे मिल रहा हूँ.
My heart is on the streets of Mumbai and the rest of the country because the best food, and you know, however big Tibbs brand will become, it would still remain a brand that was in the heart of the city, in the streets of Bombay, you know.
And Shivaji Park, I think, is a place where I've seen maximum number of customers customize their pracky. Mostly people don't do that.
Yeah.
So they just order for a chicken pracky or a mutton pracky. But in Shivaji Park, it's always heard whenever we have been there, you know, people specify, हमको कड़क रोटी चाहिए, थोड़ा और चिकन डालना, थोड़ा और मटन डालना,
Correct.
थोड़ा और अंडा डालना.
Yeah.
And we are more than happy to do that.
Exactly what I do.
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken. Frankie's chicken in a minute.
Come together with Drankies.
And Jasmeet, it's very, very, how do you say, heartwarming when somebody lets you into their home and into their kitchen, which is what you've done for me today. And I really, really appreciate it. I hope this legacy that your father started lives on forever, because without Frankie, there is no Mumbai, really.
Thank you.
And there will be no India also when you spread all over the country.
Thank you so much, Guru. Thank you so much. So why don't we say the famous phrase together? I love Frankie, so we do it together.
Tell me, you say it and we'll say it together.
Dad said it, I say it, and the whole world says it. I love Frankie's.
So will you. Okay, now I'm going to eat this.
Please.
Okay, so my 3 Frankies are ready. Starting with the one that Jasmeet has made himself, the mutton classic Frankie, which I'm going to try first, if you don't mind. I've also got a classic chicken Frankie और एक आप vegetarian लोगों के लिए vegetarian Frankie है. Packaging is green and red, so we know which is vegetarian, which is not vegetarian. We've got crisp. It's an honor to have the Frankie handmade by the owner. Although he has promised me that all Frankies, whether made by him or not, will taste the same. At the first bite. Ooh, this is exactly what happened when you get that. Crisp roti with the egg in it. The fasadida mutton, the spice there, the powder splashes on one side, the crunch of the onion, that kick vinegar and green chili. Look back.
Classic chicken. ये भी स्पिल होने वाला है, तो मैं बी बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड. You can see this, the wonderful chicken, onion, ras, gravy, roti, anda. Hot, juicy chicken. And I had said that
I had never eaten a chicken Frankie before. So actually the first time I'm going to eat a full chicken Frankie. Really nice. अभी वेज भी ट्राई कर लेना. I must also add that the rotis are available in whole wheat, etc., etc. I preferred the maida. What can you go wrong with aloo? There's a big aloo pakoda inside with the same spices and the piyaz and all that. They're fabulous. But if you don't mind, I'm eating the mutton. I'll tell you one more secret. When you finish a Frankie, there's always gravy at the bottom, and there's always one mutton piece that is left over there, which you have to eat by itself. So ये था हमारा episode, iconic legacy tips Frankie के ऊपर. If you like the episode, please write to us, share कीजिए, subscribe कीजिएगा, और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए खाने में क्या है.
There's a huge order from office now, bhai.
अच्छा, is there a huge order from office?
I'm taking it.
Please take it.